Hey guys, DJ's Visions here, reviewing and unboxing the EXOTON S1803W. As you can see, this is how they came. Shows a quick description. I like the little white on the speaker on the cardboard, thought it was a nice touch. We're about to unbox here. We sped it up so we don't bore y'all. But I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised after seeing that these boxes came double package. As you can see here, comes with a nice foam, making sure that it doesn't get damaged on the way. We did get a little nice package there with some paperwork. We also got the power connector and Cat 5. It did come with a little adapter. Here's the pole. As you can see, there's the pins. I did see that other reviewers stated that these look a lot like a competitor, so who knows? As long as they work, I think we're good. And some of y'all are wondering why a Cat 5 cable. These do have the ability to be connected over network. If you use Dante, this is something that you could use. Right here, I'm putting it in the carrying case. As you can see, it has two little tags right there, so you can put in the pole as well as the actual speaker. Has a little logo on there. Looks really nice, easy. Here we're moving on to the sub. As you can see, they double packaged it, put some little side corners, the foam. And I really appreciate that they sent some covers for the speakers. Previously, I've bought some other brand higher end speakers and they never come with any covers or anything to cover them up. So it was a nice touch, something that you will really appreciate when you're carrying or you're moving your gear. I'm taking the cover off, exposing the plastic. As you can see, we're here taking it off. We're about to take a look at the rubber feet. This is my first EXOTON speakers. I've heard that the previous version didn't have feet as nice as these, but these look like they'll stay in place. We'll continue to take off all the little extra stuff. And I do have to say, these are some nice looking speakers. These are my first column array. I've had experience with column arrays before, but as you can see, the trend is to get all white for weddings. So I figured I would buy a couple of these. For the price, you just can't beat them. And here you're about to see how they look. We're about to plug them in and start putting in some music, but man, they really look nice. Right here we're looking at the DSP, the back of the speaker. It has different settings, some with the long range, infill, and monitor. We also have a Bluetooth capability, and these do have the capability of pairing with another or a second box, and they would pair in stereo. As you can see, very easy, very quick. This was my first time pairing it. And this is some free music from YouTube that I just wanted to replay.
Girl, blue eyes with a low bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe it to get away. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-4 way. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and tried to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left. La calle no es para todos, debes de aprenderlo tú, que aunque nos miren de negro andamos buscando luz. Voy a partir en silencio con uno de Kush prendido, especial dedicación a los que me llaman vendido. Nacido en el 94, por mi calle no hay contrato, hoy vivo de algunas letras que grabé en ese compacto. Crecí mordiendo banqueta, hoy de cena si hay banquete. Si eres blando mejor vete, puede que brille en el cohete. A mí que me brillen cheques, smoking medicinal, inhalo si se me antoja, sé que el mundo ya está mal, quiero un trago de mezcal. Hoy recuerdo un familiar, puros dólares en fila por lo que llegué a pasar. Claro que quiero ser rico y antes de morirme rey, prendido en un Cadillac con King Lil G por todo el ley.
So these speakers do get louder. I just didn't want to interrupt my neighbors. This was in the middle of the day. But I do have to say that I was pleasantly surprised and very happy with these speakers. One of the things that I do want to talk about is the hiss that a lot of reviewers have been talking about. This hiss is something that you really have to look for. It's not something that is extremely audible. This hiss is comparable to other speakers. I've had the privilege to work with higher brands, or not higher brands, but higher tiers, for all the way to LA Acoustics, Myers, to DAS Audio. And it's something that you can hear. I personally owned JBL SRX speakers, and you could hear that hiss on that too, but it's not something that will shy or deter you from using them. I also want to send a shout out to the customer support. I had heard some negative things about this brand, and from my point of view, they were really communicative. I bought these in Amazon, and Amazon had promised a delivery date that was way before the actual launch date. I wasn't aware until I actually went to their website, but they did everything they could, and I actually got these ahead of time, which was awesome. So, again, nothing but good things to say about these speakers as of right now. As soon as I get some experience with them out in the field, I will let y'all know. Again, this is our first video. Hopefully, I got some value out of it. Again, we just hooked up our iPhone and went away and said, let's try something different. So again, guys, thank you for watching. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and we'll see what this channel can turn into. Later, guys.